Hi guys, another comment video reply. Been doing a lot of solar projects recently, and somebody had commented about not using indoor light bulbs to run your solar projects because they're not as strong as real sunlight. 100% true that, no problem at all with that. The only problem I have is we don't get regular sunlight. We're in the middle of the summer season at the moment. We're actually in a heat wave situation, and it's grey out there. And it's been grey most of the day. We've had a bit of sunshine, and I have been able to do a bit of video on a solar project. But as a backup, I've been using this one, which I'm pretty sure is a halogen bulb. I'm not 100% certain now that I'm looking at it. The only way I'll be able to tell would be to find the original packaging. Because when you look at it, you can see the filaments in there, the old style incandescent bulb. But I think that it's a halogen bulb. Here's another halogen bulb. And you can see the filaments in there. In fact, I've got one of these in the end one. So this one's either incandescent or halogen. It says 80 watts on it. This one is an LED. (9-watt) LED, which I'm going to swap out in a minute for that one, which is a 13-watt LED, just to demonstrate difference. The one that's on already is a good old CFL, which I struggled to find one that I could fit into the light shade, so it's onto an adapter and then into there. They probably give the least amount of light as far as solar projects are concerned. Then the one at the end is definitely one of those, which is a 100-watt halogen. To demonstrate them working, this should be a hovering hummingbird, which comes out on a springy bit of wire and would float around everywhere, but it's just out of camera shot most of the time, so I've done a modification to it. We've got a spinning frog instead. So if I hold him in front of there, so it took a bit to get him going. Let's face these down so they're not straight in the camera. Okay, this one, which I think is halogen, no problem. This one was, what did we say? Can't remember. This one's an LED anyway. There we go. But you've got to hold it really, really close, just for comparison. Okay, and then finally the 100-watt. Really spinning. And then we'll just swap this one out. What did I say it was? 9-watt. And give it the 13-watt. The 13-watt ones are the ones that I normally run for lighting my filming when I'm filming. So 13-watt LEDs. Got to hold it really close. As soon as you bring it back a bit, nothing. Halogen. Yeah. And then I've got a couple of other halogens we can look at. If we go for a little walk. Oh, come on camera. There we go. Okay, lights under the kitchen. Halogen. Okay, so he works off that one, a reasonable distance. Don't know if we can reach up to that one. Right, kitchen lights. Gotta hold it pretty close to that one. Actually, those might be, yeah, those are LED ones. I was thinking those were halogen, but no, those are LEDs. So those are LEDs, and I had to go up pretty close. The ones under here are halogen, so they worked all right. I think these are LEDs as well. Can't get close enough. No, can't even get it to run off that one. No, can't reach. Okay, so in answer to the comment, yes, you're 100% right. Sunlight is the best. But you do need the sun to get sunlight. And if you haven't got any sun, then a halogen bulb is the best. And after halogen, then the old incandescent bulbs. And then after that, you need a good powerful LED bulb. But I was running, what was that one? Something like 13 watt. It's funny because the halogen one doesn't look as bright as the LED one, but it's different radiation. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.